हेलो एंड वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। प्यारे बच्चों, प्रेपरेशंस ऑफ एमाइन्स हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया है, हमने यहाँ पे कंप्लीट किया है डिफरेंट मेथड्स फॉर द प्रेपरेशंस ऑफ एमाइन्स। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस the properties. First of all, we will discuss physical properties and after that we will discuss chemical properties. Now physical properties of amines में हमेशा याद रख लीजिए, किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में, वेदर इट मे बी एमाइन्स, वेदर इट मे बी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, वेदर इट मे बी एल्काइल हैलाइड्स, विद रेस्पेक्ट टू फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज तीन चीजें हमें डिस्कस करनी होती है। फर्स्ट वन इज फिजिकल स्टेट, उसके साथ साथ कलर एंड उसके साथ साथ ऑर्डर means smell. Second one is with respect to physical properties. First में हम डिस्कस करते हैं physical state, color and order. Second one is solubility. Solubility in water. Generally we are discussing solubility. And third one is boiling point. These are the three important properties, physical properties we are discussing with respect to any organic compound. Here in this very case, our organic compound is amines. In this very lecture, we are going to discuss physical properties of amines. Physical properties of amines. First of all, we will discuss their physical state. Physical properties of amines में first of all, we will discuss their physical state. याद रख लीजिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था जब एमाइन्स हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए थे, वहां पे मैंने एमाइन्स का नोमेनक्लेचर भी आप लोगों को यहाँ पे दिखाया था कि व्हाट इज देयर आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर, व्हाट आर देयर कॉमन नेम्स। नाउ मैंने तब कहा था आप लोगों को कि जनरल फार्मूला फॉर एमाइन्स इज RNH2 और मैंने कहा था दिस इज प्राइमरी अमाइन, दिस इज primary amine, or maybe any alkyl group, or maybe any alkyl group. Remember it. For example, if this very alkyl group is methyl, it will be RCH3NH2. If it will be ethyl, CH3CH2NH2. It may be propyl, CH3CH2CH2NH2. Remember it. Now, this is the amine with one carbon atom. This is the amine with two carbon atoms. Both are primary. This is the amine with three carbon atoms. My dear students, with respect to physical state, remember that lower amines are gases. With respect to physical state, what we can say, phase भी हम कह सकते हैं. Lower amines means up to 3 carbon atoms. Up to 3 carbon atoms. याद रख लीजिए. Up to 3 carbon atoms. Up to 3 carbon atoms. These are gases. From, or in other words, we can say from 3 to 8. These are generally considered as liquids, and 8 onwards these are solids. Mind it. We can say the lower members of amines are gases. After that, up to 8 carbon atoms, these are liquids, and higher amines are solids. आप लोगों में से माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप मुझे कोई कह सकता है, sir, why you are saying that higher amines are, when the number of carbon atoms will go on increasing, the state from gas to solid, it changes. Why? Because, my dear students, when the number of carbon atoms will go on increasing, for example, जितने ज्यादा कार्बन एटम्स बढ़ जाएंगे, there is the increase in van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces of attraction. वान डर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बढ़ जाती है, जब वान डर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बढ़ जाती है, that means the molecule comes closer to each other. When they will come closer to each other, the state changes. Changes. That is why from gas to liquid, and then from liquid to solid. Lower members of amines are gases, and higher ones are solids. Why? Because as the carbon chain increases, van der Waals force of attraction will increase, and that is why they have generally been found as solids. ये आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया कि जो लोअर मेंबर्स होते हैं, these are gases up to 8 carbon atoms, liquids, and 8 onwards these are solids. Why these are solids? यहाँ पे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि जितनी ज्यादा कार्बन चेन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, van der Waals force of attraction will go on increasing, and their state changes from gas to solid. Color. With respect to color, mind it, my dear students, with respect to color, lower members have been found to have fishy smell. And higher members are, with respect to color, lower members are colorless. What we can say. But it has been found if higher members or we can say in some cases lower members also are subjected to air, means when they are subjected to air, means oxygen, they develop color. That means they are colored. In other words, you will remember, आप लोग याद रखोगे, physical properties are not so much important as for any competitive examination point of view, but याद रख लीजिए, my dear students, when members of amines, lower as well as higher, lower are generally found to be colorless, but it has been found that when they are subjected to air, when they are subjected to oxygen, they undergo oxidation, and then they will become colored. They are colored subjected to oxidation when they are subjected to air. And my dear students, also with respect to odor, with respect to smell, lower members जो मैंने अभी कहा था, they have been found to have fishy smell, but higher members are odorless. This is the first physical property: physical state, color and odor. इस तरह से आप याद रखोगे. With respect to physical state, lower members जो होते हैं, they are generally gases. जितनी ज्यादा carbon chain increase हो जाएंगी, they have been found to have as solids. After that, with respect to color, amines are generally colorless, generally lower and higher. But when they are subjected to oxidation or subjected to oxygen, when they are subjected to air, they undergo oxidation, and thus they have been found to be colored. Now after that, odor means smell. All amines except lower members have been found to have fishy smell, and all amines are odorless. After that, higher amines are generally odorless. Now, second one is solubility. याद रख लीजिए, solubility and boiling point of any organic compound with respect to physical property is to some extent important. Solubility in water. Generally, we are considering it in water. देख लीजिए my dear students, amines. For example, this is amine. Our general formula RNH2. नाइट्रोजन पे लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, लेकिन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वेरी नाइट्रोजन इज electronegative in character. Electronegative in character. Thus, amines have been found to be polar in nature. These are polar in nature. Polar in nature. Amines are generally considered as these are polar in nature. Amines. That is why, remember that amines, when we will discuss their solubility in water. For example, we will take a beaker. We will take a beaker. यहाँ से हम एक beaker ले लेंगे. Suppose बीकर में पानी है. देख लीजिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे वाटर है. यहाँ से जब हमने NH2 इसके साथ मिक्स किया, amines are generally found to be soluble in water but lower amines. Remember it, lower amines means methylamine or C2H5NH2. Ethylamine, they have been found to be soluble in water. They have been found to be soluble in water, not higher amines. Lower amines, soluble in water. Soluble in water. Higher amines, insoluble. As well as remember that my dear students, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे lectures amines के बारे में देखे होंगे, वहां पे मैंने classification of amines में ये भी मैंने आप लोगों को सिखाया था, aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. एरोमेटिक अमाइन, एलिफेटिक मैंने कहा था स्ट्रेट चेन, एरोमेटिक में मैंने कहा था क्लोज्ड चेन, लेकिन एरोमेटिक के साथ साथ हमेशा बेंजीनिंग होती है. आप लोगों को याद होगा, ये मैंने आप लोगों को वहां पे दिखाया था बेंजीनिंग NH2, और मैंने वहां पे कहा था आप लोगों को इसका IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर है एनिलीन. दिस इज एन एरोमेटिक अमाइन. एरोमेटिक अमाइन, रिमेंबर दैट my dear students, aromatic amines are also insoluble in water. These are also insoluble in water. But the question here arises why? But the question here arises why? आप इतना याद रख लीजिए, lower amines are soluble in water, but higher amines as well as aromatic amines are insoluble in water. Now, my dear students, why amines are soluble, lower amines are soluble in water? मैंने ये भी कहा कि in case of amines, nitrogen is electronegative, that is polar in nature. It is in a position to form hydrogen bonds with water. Lower amines are in a position to form hydrogen bonds. For example, this is an amine. This is an amine. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है. वाटर के ऑक्सीजन के साथ ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है. देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. रिमेंबर दैट, आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड फ्लोरीन, ये तीन एलिमेंट्स हमारे पीरियोडिक टेबल में है. दीज आर इन ए पोजीशन टू फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. दीज आर इन ए पोजीशन टू फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. यहाँ पे amines when they will be dissolved in water, lower amines. मैं अभी ये एक्सप्लेन कर लूंगा कि why not higher amines are soluble in water. हालांकि उनके पास भी नाइट्रोजन है, उनके पास भी हाइड्रोजन होता है. Now in this very case I am saying that lower amines are soluble in water because lower amines are in a position to form intermolecular hydrogen bonds with water, but higher amines are not in a position. Why? Because higher amines का मतलब है ये अल्काइल ग्रुप इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, मतलब कार्बन चेन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. CH3 CH2 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 डैश 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 NH2. जितना ज्यादा ये अल्काइल पार्ट बढ़ता जाएगा, it will prevent hydrogen bonding. It will prevent hydrogen bonding. That is why when the carbon chain will go on increasing, in case of amines, the solubility decreases. The solubility, same is the case with this very benzene, it prevents the hydrogen bonding with water. That is the reason why lower amines containing up to 3 carbon atoms are soluble in water. Why not? Higher amines are soluble in water because as the carbon chain increases, that very carbon chain will prevent hydrogen bonding with water. This is with respect to solubility. Lower amines are soluble in water, but higher amines are not soluble in water because as the carbon chain increases, the presence of carbon chain will prevent hydrogen bonding with water. Now, last one and important one is boiling point. देख लीजिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को CH3NH2 और CH3CH2NH2 CH3CH2CH2NH2. This is also primary amine, this is also primary amine, this is also primary amine. 1 not, 1 not, 1 not. In this very primary amine, 1 carbon atom, मतलब 1 alkyl group, 2 carbon atoms, 3 carbon atoms आती है. Alkyl chain 3 carbon atom की है, alkyl chain 2 carbon atoms की है, alkyl chain 1 carbon atom की है. My dear students, अगर आप लोगों से पूछा जाएगा इन तीनों में से किसका boiling point ज्यादा है? Now, my dear students, remember that the alkyl groups, greater the number of alkyl groups in case of straight chain, in case of straight chain. अगर चेन स्ट्रेट है, कार्बन चेन स्ट्रेट है, जितनी ज्यादा अल्काइल ग्रुप्स होंगी, हालांकि जितनी ज्यादा अल्काइल ग्रुप्स होंगी, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीजेस, बीपी इंक्रीजेस. इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन, इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन, रिमेंबर इट, ये भी प्राइमरी अमाइन, ये भी प्राइमरी अमाइन, ये भी प्राइमरी चेन स्ट्रेट है. जब कार्बन चेन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज हो जाता है. हालांकि देख लीजिए, अभी मैंने आप लोगों से कहा माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि जितनी ज्यादा इनके सब सॉल्युबिलिटी, जब अल्काइल चेन इंक्रीज हो जाती है तो इट विल प्रिवेंट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. बट रिमेंबर दैट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, विद रेस्पेक्ट टू बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, जितना ज्यादा अल्काइल पार्ट इंक्रीज हो जाता है, जितना ज्यादा अल्काइल पार्ट इज हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट. अल्काइल पार्ट एक्चुअली हाइड्रोफोबिक, जो सॉल्युबिलिटी में अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया, अल्काइल चेन जितनी ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, इट विल प्रिवेंट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. एक्चुअली इट इज हाइड्रोफोबिक इन नेचर, वाटर हेटिंग इन नेचर. हाइड्रोकार्बन पार्ट, इट इज वाटर हेटिंग इन नेचर. नाउ विद रेस्पेक्ट टू बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, यहाँ पे हम बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. जितना ज्यादा अल्काइल पार्ट स्ट्रेट चेन में, याद रख लीजिए, स्ट्रेट चेन में अल्काइल पार्ट जब इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, वान डर वाल्स फोर्सेस विल इंक्रीज. वान डर वाल्स फोर्सेस इंक्रीज हो जाती है. जब वान डर वाल्स फोर्सेस यहां पे इंक्रीज हो जाती है, at that very time, it is force of attraction between the propyl amine, this is propyl amine molecules will increase. When the force of attraction will increase, boiling point का क्या मतलब है कि किस टेम्परेचर पे ये मॉलिक्यूल बॉयल हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स इवापोरेट हो जाएगा, लिक्विड स्टेट से गैसियस स्टेट में आ जाएगा. My dear students, if the force of attraction between these very molecules will go on increasing, हमें ज्यादा हीट की जरूरत पड़ जाएगी ताकि ये जो हमारे पास मॉलिक्यूल है, इसकी स्टेट लिक्विड से गैसियस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. That means, my dear students, remember it, in case of straight chain amines, as the number of alkyl groups as the carbon chain increases, boiling point increases. Boiling point, why? Because van der Waals force of attraction will increase. Now, my dear students, if there is this very amine, और यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन कर लूंगा with respect to boiling point, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This is primary amine. CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. This is secondary amine but isomeric. देख लीजिए my dear students, isomeric मतलब the molecules having the same molecular formula as well as molecular mass. This is secondary. Now this will be tertiary. CH3N, CH3, CH3. इसकी मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला क्या है? C3H9N, 322729. C3H9N, यहाँ पे भी C3H9N, यहाँ पे भी C3H9N. These are the isomers having the same molecular formula but different structural formula. This is primary, this is secondary, this is tertiary. This is 3-0 amine. Molecular formula same है लेकिन structural formula different है. In case of isomeric amines having the same molecular mass, remember that. अगर इन तीनों में से आप लोगों को कहा जाएगा किसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज्यादा है, remember that there is a concept as the branching. Remember it, my dear students. ये as the branching increases, BP decreases. Remember it, my dear students. पहले कंसेप्ट में अभी मैंने कहा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में in case of straight chain amines, as the carbon chain increases, BP increases because van der Waals force of attraction will increase. That is why propyl amine has higher boiling point than ethyl amine, which in turn has more boiling point than methyl amine. But in case of isomeric amines, means amines having the same molecular mass but different structural formula. Primary amine straight है, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Tertiary amines में branches हैं. This is a branch. Now branching increases, boiling point decreases. Why? Because surface area decreases. जब surface area decrease हो जाता है, when surface area decrease हो जाएगा, van der Waals force of attraction will go on increasing. In other words, remember that as the branching increases, van der Waals force of attraction will decrease because surface area will decrease and boiling point will decrease. यहाँ पे प्राइमरी अमाइन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज्यादा होता है सेकेंडरी का, which in turn has more boiling point than tertiary. In case of isomeric amines having the same molecular mass. Primary amines have more boiling point than secondary, which in turn have more boiling point than tertiary. Reason इसका ये है, as the branching increases, van der Waals force of attraction will go on decreasing because surface area decreases. That is why boiling point decreases. आइसोमेरिक एमाइड्स में आप लोगों ने ये याद रखा, वहां पे स्ट्रेट चेन में वो कंसेप्ट आप लोगों ने याद रखा, और इन केस ऑफ सॉल्युबिलिटी आप लोगों ने याद रखा कि लोअर एमाइन्स soluble in water है. Why? They are in a position to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water. As the carbon chain increases, जितनी ज्यादा कार्बन्स बढ़ते जाएंगे, these very carbon atoms, these very hydrocarbon part is hydrophobic in nature. These will prevent hydrogen bonding. That is why higher amines are insoluble in with respect to solubility and boiling point. Physical properties, these are very important from entrance examination point of view. Thus, we have completed, my dear students, physical properties of amines. After that, we will discuss chemical properties of amines. तब तक के लिए goodbye.